Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can compose a new email in Zoho Mail. So the first thing that you have to do is of course log in to your Zoho Mail account, and once you're here, you will see this new mail, this blue button right here, and what you will have to do is just click that. So wait for it. And once you're here, what you will have to do is of course fill out your recipient, and then your subject, your contacts, and then of course your message body and so on. And that's basically just it. And once you're done with filling out your recipient's email, your subject, your body, you can just format your email as well using bold, using italic, and all of these options right here. And once you're done with your formatting, you can just send it, or you can send it later as well. And after you're done sending it, and it will be sent to your recipient. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.